Hello friends, Natasha and the Cryptemic Academy are with you. In this episode, we will analyze in simple terms the geopolitics, regulation, and technologies that are currently influencing the crypto market. Stay with us. The EU is preparing the 19th package of sanctions against Russia. Banks and crypto exchanges are under attack. Brussels is considering new restrictions with an emphasis on the financial sector and crypto platforms. For exchanges, this means stricter compliance and filters for the market, possible short-term volatility, but the impact on decentralized networks is limited. Toncoin prepares strategic partnership, market expects breakthrough, Ton team announces major partner, Telegram link offers. Rare chance for mass adoption could spur user influx and institutional interest. Binance launches WLFI USDC futures with up to 75 times leverage. Binance Futures will launch a WLFI contract settled in USDC with margin modes and a regular funding rate. The product is designed for active traders and can add liquidity to the token. Yay Finance launches. Clovis becomes DeFi leader on Say Network. New product combines liquidity across networks and turns protocol into DeFi's operating system. Low fees and audited performance increase trust in Say ecosystem. Binance Alpha lists Avanti's $AVNT and launches airdrop. Listing with bonuses via Alpha Points gives the project quick access to an audience and users a chance to enter early and get additional tokens. Bybit returns to India. After paying $1.06 million, fine, exchange registers with FIU, resumes services, market grows, but users should be aware of past security incidents and practice basic cyber hygiene. Californian gets 51 months in prison for laundering $37 million in cryptocurrency. Court shows U.S. tough stance on crypto fraud. Event has little impact on the market, but the signal for gray schemes is obvious. Whales drive, hype to new all-time highs. Large single-address purchases drive up price and volumes. Bullish trend, but volatility and pullback risks remain high for speculative tokens. Upbit launches its own Ethereum L2 blockchain GIWA. L2 on OP stack with 1-second blocks and full EVM compatibility simplifies dApp migration and reduces costs. The exchange becomes an infrastructure player, not just a platform. MegaETH launches USDM stablecoin to subsidize fees, tokenized funds, profits to pay for L2 gas, new network funding model that could set trends and lower barriers to entry for users. iPhone 17 introduces memory integrity enforcement, new protection for crypto users. Hardware technology reduces the risk of private key theft due to memory vulnerabilities. This is a plus for security, although basic rules, PIN, biometrics, phishing hygiene, are still mandatory. U.S. revised employment data, minus 911,000 jobs, Bitcoin and gold fall sharply. Weak numbers strengthened the risk-off regime and hit risk assets. Such shocks usually give short-term volatility, but do not change the long history of crypto. Amazon launches free Zux robo-taxi rides in Las Vegas. Fully autonomous capsule taxis with no steering wheel or pedals are being tested. A mass rollout could accelerate demand for Web3 identity and micropayments, even as the US debates tougher regulations for autonomous vehicles. This is where our episode ends. Do you think the new EU sanctions will affect the work of crypto exchanges and access to liquidity? Do you expect a strong effect from the possible partnership of TON and new L2 initiatives like GIWA and USDM? Will you try? And how important are hardware security improvements like the iPhone 17 MIE for you when working with wallets? Share your opinion in the comments. And if you want to understand crypto trends in more detail and learn how to work effectively with assets, visit the Cryptemic Academy. We have courses on trading, security, and analytics. Subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next episode.